Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel RahulAnITGuy. Today in this video, I will explain you regarding VLOOKUP. So let's begin. VLOOKUP is an Excel function to look up and retrieve data from a specific column in table. VLOOKUP supports approximate and exact matching and wildcards such as asterisk, question mark for partial matches. The V stands for vertical. Lookup values must appear in the first column of the table with lookup columns to the right. Purpose: lookup a value in a table by matching on the first column. Return value: the match value from a table. So let's have a look at syntax. VLOOKUP inside bracket value, comma table, comma column index, comma range lookup. Arguments: value, the value to look for in the first column of a table. Table, the table from which to retrieve a value. Column index, the column in the table from which to retrieve a value. Range lookup, it's an optional. For approximate match we can use true, it's a by default one, and for the exact match we can use false. For false you can use 0, and for true you can use 1. Now let's begin with practical demonstration for the same. As you can see on my screen, I have these tables which consist of 5 columns: invoice number, contacts, email ID, delivery date, and total amount. Say for example, I want to find out the total amount for these invoice numbers. So to find out manually it will be very easy because this table is very small in size. But say for example you have a table which consists of more than 10,000 records. So to find out manually it will be a very tedious task. Okay, so in that case we can use the VLOOKUP. I will just show you how to write down VLOOKUP formula. So is equal to VLOOKUP, in bracket we need to pass the VLOOKUP value. Lookup value will be this one, comma table array. So table array, it will be this whole table, then comma, it is asking for the column index number. So for the invoice number column, then index number will be 1. For the contacts it will be 2. For email ID it will be 3. For delivery date it will be 4, and for total amount it will be 5. So as we want to find out the total amount, so we'll pass the column index as 5. Then we have last option, which is true or false. So true, it is for the approximate match, and false, it is for the exact match. So as I need to find out the exact match, so I will pass the 0 over here. Then we will close the bracket, then we will press the enter. So as you can see, we got this amount, total amount. So we will drag the same formula in the remaining invoice number. So now we will verify. 3467 value is 325. For similarly for 3452 5656 and 5665 it is 3434. So that's it. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for newly uploaded videos. Thank you.